Very good morning to all. In this video, we'll see cost sheet with details of overhead. In our previous video, we saw simple cost sheet and the calculation of raw material consumed. Now we'll see the cost sheet problem with the details of overhead. Yes, here is the problem. Prepare a statement showing cost and profit from the following details, clearly showing prime cost, work cost, cost of production, cost of sales, and profit. Here we have information for preparing the cost sheet. Here we have to segregate the overheads, that is the expenses, into factory overhead, office overhead, and selling and distribution overhead. Before that, we need to find what are the direct expenses, that is direct material, direct wages, for calculating the prime cost. First, we'll start doing the calculation of prime cost. For calculating the prime cost, we need to know the direct material, direct wages, and direct expenses. In this problem, we have direct material 5 lakh and direct wages 1,50,000. But I think we don't have any information regarding this direct expenses. So we'll stop up to this. Only we'll take the direct material and direct wages. So I'll write it here in the cost sheet: direct material, direct wages 5 lakh and 1,50,000. So the total of this is 6,50,000. That is the prime cost. So I'll write prime cost 6,50,000. Okay, once we got the prime cost, we have to find what are the factory overheads in this problem. Okay, in this problem, the factory overheads are, we have power, storekeeper wages, factory rent, office rent won't come here. Next, repairs on factory plant, that will come under this factory overhead. Next, repairs on building won't come. So goodwill written off, it won't come. Consumable stores, that will come under factory overhead. Director fee, no, it will not come here. Telephone rent, salary, salesman salary, advertising, income tax, sales, this and all won't come there. Direct material we already wrote in the prime cost calculation. Next, oil and water will come under this factory overhead. Next, transfer to general reserve will not come here. And next, four-man salary, that will come under factory overhead. Next, factory lighting will come under factory overhead, and office lighting won't come. Next, depreciation, factory plant will come under this. Office building won't come. Manager salary, office stationery, postage, traveling expenses, warehouse rent, and dividend paid, this and all won't come there. So we'll write the factory overheads under the factory cost. So I have written all this, and the total of the factory overhead is 87,500. So now we have to add this prime cost with this factory overhead. So I'll get 7,37,500. This is the work cost. Okay. Once we got this work cost, we have to find what are the office overhead. That is, the expenses relating to office and administration will come under here. Under that, the first thing is office rent, repairs on office building, director fee, telephone rent, office lighting, office building, manager salary, office stationery, postage. This all will come under office overhead. So I'll write all this, and the total of this office overhead is 59,375. Now we have to add this work cost with this total of office overhead. I'll get 7,96,875. That is the cost of production. Okay. Once we got this cost of production, we have to add the selling and distribution overhead. Here we have salesman salary, that is the selling and distribution overhead, and advertising. This also relates to sales, so that will come under selling overhead. Traveling expenses, warehouse rent. This fourth thing appear in the selling and distribution overhead, so I'll write it here. So total of this selling and distribution overhead is 17,500. So cost of production plus total of this selling and distribution overhead will get 8,14,375. This is the cost of sales. Now we have to find out the profit. And a few more things are left in this. That is goodwill written off, income tax, transfer to general reserve, dividend paid. This and all won't come under cost sheet, as we already saw all this, no? So it is the time for us to find out the profit. Here we have sales of rupees 9,47,500. So I'll write the sales here, and the balancing figure is the profit. So sales minus cost of sales will gives you the profit. So 9,47,500 minus 8,14,375 will gives you 1,33,125. This is the profit. I hope now you can easily solve this cost sheet problem with the details of various overheads. The thing is that you should be able to classify the overheads. That is the thing. You should know how to classify the factory and office and administration and selling and distribution. If you are able to classify these three, you can easily solve this cost sheet problem without any difficulties. Thank you.